now we will be discussing about inserting the page number, cover pages, and then the front pages which we have to submit in the thesis or any draft. So let us start with that. So for now we have already inserted the table of content. We have the list of figures, we have list of tables, we have equations, and now we have started the chapter. And if you see the page numbers, normally this is starting, chapter 1 is starting at from page number 4. But if we want that these number, normally in thesis or dissertation it is required to be in Roman number. So let us see how to do that and how to insert the cover page. So I'll just uncheck this option so that I can figure out what are the changes which we have done in the particular document. So just place the cursor over here, go to insert, and just select a cover page from here. So these are few default cover pages which are given, so you can just select this default cover page, and then you can just type let us say the author can be, let us say, Justin. You can name any author and you can pick up the date from the calendar. So let us say today is the 9th, so you can type, this is, let us say, performance through experiments. So let us say you have this particular title, and then you can add the subtitle and so on. So now you have briefly seen how to add a cover page. And if you see this cover page, it is being inserted over here. Now let us see what are the different breaks we have added over here. So you just click it over here. So this will highlight where are the breaks and where are the paragraphs starting. So let us remove all the section breaks in this document till your chapter 1. So this is the section break. You just place your cursor over here and then cursor over here, and then you can delete this. Now this section break has been created, so you can press this enter, and similarly you can see there is no break over here. Let us place the cursor over here, go to insert, you can insert a page break. So you have got another page break. So let us see the table which is coming over here, and then there is another page break which is already there in the tables. Let us see with the equation. Now with equations we have to remove this page break, and now it is very important that we need to remove this page break. If inserted, you have to go into the page layout, breaks, insert, next page section break. Now this is next page, means ki here the section break will be inserted and the chapter 1 will be going to your next page. There are continuous section break also. I'll discuss this in a separate video. But now if you have seen, we have got tentative list of the things that we have to put before the chapter 1. So now let us move to number them. So here if you see, already page number has been inserted. So let us move over here, right click this page number, and then we can, there are two options, right click, or you can just from page number just select the format page number. So here let us say you want to name it page number in the Roman, and let us start at 1, and let us say we check this option of different front page. Once checking in this different front page means ki on the cover page there will be no number, and here you can see the number has automatically shifted from 1 to Roman number. So here you can see here on page number 3, this is, now here sometimes you might find that when you insert more page breaks, sometimes these formats do not update. So what you do, just right click over here, you can update this, or you just select this and then you can format page number. Now here you just format that this should be in Roman number. So just click continuous from the previous section. Now it means ki this will be now converted to Roman number 4, and similarly section break Roman number 5. So if you see, we have already page numbers in 1 to 3 format. Now we have converted into the Roman numbers. Now here this is chapter 1. So here if you see, by default it is considering the previous section which is linked to it. Now how to change this? Again, just select it, go to the page number, format page number, and here let us say we want these page number to start from 1 to 3. So you can start this at 1 and then it is just click OK. Now here you can, if you want to link with the previous section, you can link, otherwise you can uncheck this option also. So it is up to you whether you want to link or you don't want to link. But once there is a section break, you can link as well, you can delink. So now we have the page numbers which are being inserted. Now let us move to the table of contents. So if you see the table of contents, here the earlier we have started the table of contents from 4. Let us uncheck this particular mark for showing paragraph and these breaks. Just right click, update the field, update the entire table. Now here if you see, chapter 1 will be starting from page number 1. Okay, and these front pages including the cover page, here if you see the cover page, this cover page is having no page number. So this is normally required in thesis or in the dissertations where you submit. So this is the importance of creating a section break and page break. And now if you just see the document map, so let us move to the document map. Here you will find everything is same which we have mentioned over here, and page number has been automatically updated in the entire document. So thank you.